Alright guys, we are back on the rabbit day, and the day has come to where we are doing like the silver one, and we're going to wide body this day, or put flares on it, whatever you want to say, wide body flares, whatever. So yeah, we're just doing some calculations now. It's definitely getting done. I think I'm just nervous and on the edge of doing it. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna get right into it. Another one of the boards, and we got bolts and screws, which we need. So I'm trying to see. This one looks different. Let's unlock this. This one looks quite a bit different. Or are they all the same? I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Maybe there isn't like front and back. Let me see if this one stacks with this one. Oh, this one does not stack with this one. So they do have their sides. Okay, probably front and the rear. This is probably what we're dealing with here, is the front and the rear. So, yeah, these look like more of rears. Actually, yeah. Alright. So this one definitely doesn't match that one. Yeah. These are fronts, because these are way shallower. These are rears. These are fronts. I have to bend those like that. Ooh. Yeah, but I won't really know though. Okay, I'll be back at you guys when I done made my first hole, because I'm brainstorming right now on what to do. Alright guys, time has come to put these on. So, let's get it going. Alright guys, now let's be stubborn ass, bro. You can cut it on camera, guys. It's literally starting to sprinkle. Stupid weather, but yeah. It's oh, there's no going back, bro. We really just did that to my car. So yeah, we got this all off. Just gotta bolt the flare up all the way. That and the bolts on, and straighten out all that, and we're good. So yeah, should be good after that. All right, guys. So anyways, we are working on the back now. The front is done. Front's mocked up and all that. Yeah, the front's done and mocked up and all that. I just need to paint the flares black. Then I'll put them on. Yeah, this is the front piece of the fender I cut off. So yeah, it's fine. Trying to find my screws so I can mock it up again. So yeah, let me just get my screws out. Let me get my screws so we can mock this up. So one screw and 2 screws. Now for the rear. Let me look at my other Rabbit because I may do something different. Let me see. Alright, so guys, we're putting the flare on now. Flare, wide body, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna put it on now. I'm gonna have to print out some more decals for my livery to go over top of these, over top of the flares. There we go. You get a bolt on the back of that. Are we all the way through? Just about. So I'm gonna push this the rest of the way it needs to go. Okay. I'll be back at you guys when this is completely on. And we gotta like cut this part. Alright guys, we're just actually mocking up the final piece of the kit or the flares, whatever you want to call it. We're wrapping up the final one. It's just gonna need paint after we're done, but all the holes are done. We just need paint. The fronts are on, as you guys can see. See the fronts here. Fronts are on. It's definitely gonna take some getting used to. I think it's the angle it's at, or the, pretty sure it's the angle it's at, and because it's jacked up. But yeah. Now we're gonna this off of here so we can paint it. Just had it filled into the holes and held in with filler screws. So I could drill my next holes in. If I can get these off, okay, there we go. I'll wipe this off and paint this. We're Actually, let's start it from the middle.
That's not in the middle, but close enough, right?
Bad as fuck, that's my baby boo. Her favorite color, baby blue. I got her Jordans, A1s too. We all vibing on a cruise. Girl, don't gas me up. Damn, this bitch, she bad as fuck. I'm like, keep it up. She said too much Henny in her cup. I'm like, suck it up. Baby, go ahead, show that.
But yeah, that's how she looks, man. Oh my gosh, bro, it looks so good with it on. Nah, it looks so fucking good, bro. It looks so much better. The front gotta get dropped though, but it looks good how it is. This is gonna rub a little bit, but I can get the bumper out to fix that. But anyways, guys, we wide-bodied another rabbit. As you guys can see, it looks pretty damn good to me. But yeah, guys, peace out. Drop a like if y'all enjoyed it.